right, we're on the road. I just got my little ticket here to enter the Miramar landfill. Can't wait to show you guys this place. This is going to be exciting. So again, they make about 12,000 cubic yards of compost at this facility and give it away for free. 12,000 yards. Big pile of logs. Muddy. That's some type of technology there. Processing, grinding machine. Not a lot of people here today, but they're right here. You can see they're dumping out the green waste. Big piles of green waste. This is where they'll process this stuff, chip it up. They'll collect all the food scraps from the restaurants and mix it with this other green waste. It's all ground up into very small particles and then processed for about 45 days. Oh, this is a muddy mess. Look at this. I'm not sure where all the compost pile is. That's the problem. Take this right here. Okay, so they got composting. You can see right here. It's mixed into the ground, mixed with food waste, turned and aerated, heated to 150 degrees, screened to ½ inch, and then composted. So they moved the piles around from last time I was here. Oh, there it is. I think I passed it. That's the compost pile. Drove right by it. Self-loading compost. That's a good sized pile. That's all for free, so let's go and drive over there. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Right here is that's the free compost. So I'm gonna go take my share. Let me just kind of drive around and get a nice spot. You can see I want an easy spot to get out. Look at that. It just rained. All this is for free. All completely free. All right, we got this thing filled up. The temperature, you can feel the heat coming up right now. The farther you dig in, it's actually burning my hand. You can actually, if you dig right into here, the temperature is probably 100 degrees right in here. You might be able to see steam coming out. This right here is so warm. The farther I dig in, the hotter it is. It's like an oven in there. So you have this huge pile. This huge pile, but on the inside it's like 150 degrees. Still steaming hot. That means it's cooking. No pathogen can live in this pile. All right, I got my free compost. Trash can filled up. Now we can take this home and use it to plant some fruits and vegetables. If you're on a budget, this is what you want to use right here. This is pretty high quality. If you're growing just regular house plants as well, trees, this will be a good source. You pay for it through your taxes, so this is all funded through the city. All right, let's go and walk. I'm going to show you how big this is. Again, I was telling you how hot it is inside of here. If you dig just a little bit in, you can actually see the heat coming out. That's not dust. That's actually steam. That's probably 100, could be 120. By the time you get to the middle, that's not dust, people. That's, ladies and gentlemen, that is actually steam. It's steam coming out the farther I go in, the hotter it is. Look at that. It is cooking like an oven in there. That's how you know that your compost is going to be good quality, no pathogens. It has to heat up to 150 degrees, so everything is completely destroyed in this environment. Look at that. It's a huge pile. All right, let's walk to the top. I think you've seen enough of that. Again, I'm only digging in about 6 inches. And it's raining and wet. On the outside surface, the temperature is just probably like 60, 70. Let's go ahead and walk up here. Here we are on top. Look at this. Sorry for the noise. We are on top of the compost pile. Maybe 1,000 yards. Over there, you can see, pointing right there, that's a free mulch pile. So the shredded wood mulch, which I sprinkle, you can sprinkle that around your trees. Wood chips, let them just decay, natural process in time. I'll probably come back to pick up some of those. But for now, we're on top of a mountain of compost. A huge mountain. On a muddy day. Just rained a lot. March. No one's here, but you can kind of see the whole process. Over there is where they dump green waste, so there's piles and piles of the green waste. Let's go back down. So this is just made out of that green waste and food scraps. No manure, no animal manure, no trash. If there is any trash, it's usually screened out. But for a low budget gardener, you can pretty much survive growing your own food if you just had this free soil. You just need some potted or containers or some space to grow. All right, let's go back and grow some plants with this. We'll see how they turn out. I'll probably go and purchase some at the store just to compare what the difference is between store-bought compost by the bag. I'll pick up some high-quality compost by the bag. All right, let's get out of here and hit the road. And the mud is not too sticky and it doesn't rain. More rains are coming, so I could easily get stuck in the mud here and be trapped here overnight. All right, see you guys.